How to fix TikTok keep crashing. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok keep crashing easy and fast. All what you have to do is go to the settings on your phone like this, and then scroll down and go to this apps option. And after you click on apps, now all what you have to do is click again on apps and wait a few seconds. Let's wait a few seconds. And now after it show you this page right here, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll down until you find TikTok app, and after you find TikTok, click on it, and now click on this force stop option. After you click on the force stop option, go to this storage right here and click on clear data and clear cache. Go back, and now restart your phone and TikTok is gonna be working for you so good. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.